Okay, so this is talking about our customer service and tech support system. And basically what's going to start off with is I'm going to cover both types. So when you order something from us, we're going to have a consultation. And in that consultation, we're going to screencast it and then upload it so you have a copy as far as what we talked about. And because it's not like, if you're ordering just a theme package, then that's a set price, set theme. We're just installing it, doing, a list of things, which we'll get to in a minute as far as tasks that we'll be doing, and it's cut and dry. But a lot of times people want, not a custom site, but they want customizations to what we're offering. And in that, there's, a lot of different things that get discussed. And then after the call, the client thinks one thing, we think another, and then it ends up, down the road, things can be totally different, versus what we first initially talked about. So the first thing we do is we use Asana. Asana is a appointment scheduler, and it makes it to where it reminds you 30 minutes before and 15 minutes before, and then we have our meeting. Then we screencast it and we put it in a format that you'll be able to watch afterwards, so that you know exactly what we discussed and agreed on, and how we hope it turns out. So then after that, once you order, then we put that into a program called Asana. And Asana is a project management community. And what it is that all of us here are, with different, different parts of your project will be added to your project. You'll be invited and you'll come in and you'll be able to see, all the things that are supposed to be done, so that in the end, that the project is 100% completed to your satisfaction. So what you'll do is you'll look at the task and review the video and review your notes, and together you and the project leader will make sure that before everything started, that every single task that should be in here is in, and then the information that you need to supply is supplied. Any like photos or pictures or doc files or whatever is uploaded, so that way when all the tasks are in and everything's done, then it can start. And then what's nice is that while you're working, you'll get emails about completed tasks and updates. So let's say you want something done a certain way, and they say, is this what they'll in the Asana task, they'll say, is this right? And then they add the comment, and then you get emailed the comment as well as everyone else in the system, in the project. So it's a way to communicate that's centralized. So here's Asana, and here's you, and here's everybody else, that when you talk to it and it talks to you, everyone else gets the same thing. So it's much more efficient, and it's just smarter. So what happens is that after everything's done, then you'll sign off and we're done. And that's the gist of the tech support system and how it works. And everyone loves it. We're getting projects done quicker, and because we're involving you in this process, and it's just a lot less miscommunication, and for us and for clients, it's a lower cost, because if everything's in here and then all of a sudden you go, well, I decided I want to have a different, I want something added to this, then that's not a part of the project, and we'll give you a quote, and it'll be nominal, but it'll make it to where, the communication and where everyone stands and what's expected of each other is super defined, and we're getting things done, much quicker. So that's the gist of it, and we hope you like the system. But that's when we ask you to set up an invite for a visita for an appointment, and then when we send you an invite for Asana, that's where it's all leading, so that you have better communication with us, quicker response times, and ultimately having things done quicker. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks.